What do you think about the oil color on this thing?
If it was a diesel, it'd be alright.
Hasn't been changed since 2016, and it's 2024, so it's its first oil change. Welcome back to the channel. Noah bought a moose. Here we go. So Nitro Moose. This is the plushy, ultra plushy.
Yeah, 6 to 8.
68 psi, and he has an M5B Evo, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. In my opinion, this is the best setup you can run for trails and hill climbs and rocks. So we're gonna take his old tire off.
It's got the stock set up right now.
Yeah, running a stock tire. How many hours? 30?
30 hours.
That's not too bad. All right. Yeah, let's get it done. We'll see how much cussing we do. Well, there it is. Wasn't too much of a fight. Just gotta really make sure that you get your rim lock between the tire and the moose. It's all slimed up. One thing that I always do is you have your, where is it? Where's your air hole? Yeah. Well, wherever your air valve was, I taped the inside of it with black tape because you don't want any of this goo getting out and you don't want to get any water getting in. So tape that inside, and then when you're ready to clean this up, tape the outside as well so no water and gets in. It's right here. Yeah, so you're gonna want to go ahead and tape that up. All right, so the next project is Noah's 450 bike that he bought on Facebook. Little project bike. The rim is donezo, so we're getting a brand new Tusk rim. Ooh. Oh, that red is, dude, that red's sweet. Look at that. Brand new Tusk rim. And we're just gonna reuse the same sprocket and brake because it looks pretty good. So we're gonna get rid of this guy. Throw a paddle tire tube on this one and slap it back on. Last thing we got to do to this 450 is oil change. And is that it?
Spark plug.
Spark plug. Oh, we might check the valves too, but we'll see about that.
Depending on time and how many drinks we've had.
Yep. So that's the status update. Let's get this tire on. All right, so update. We got the new paddle tire on. This was a biatch to get on there. We got a new tube.
Worse than the moose.
Yeah, it was bad. But we reused the brake and the sprocket again, and tube's holding there. So we put a 3mm Tusk tube in there. Should be pretty thick. Went ahead and started polishing the frame on this side, and then we're going to. I just pulled the spark plug, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull the valve cover, and we're gonna see what those valves are looking like. And then one last bit, look at this radiator. This thing is in a different dimension. Oh boy. So you got a new radiator coming?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's the fill side.
So yeah, we're gonna polish the frame on this side. I'm gonna check the valves. Making progress. All right, so a little bit of an update. We checked the valves. They're a little tight. I don't have any shims, but we just wanted to see where they're at so we have an idea, get some shims come in or take it in. The oil, Noah's over there about to drop the oil. What do you think about the oil color on this thing?
If it was a diesel, it'd be alright.
Hasn't been changed since 2016. And it's 2024, so it's its first oil change. Facebook Marketplace 450. Here we go. Let's see that oil. All right, now we gotta look at this. So that's the transmission. Ooh, no.
I think that's engine oil.
That's pretty,
Holy shit, bro.
what?
Look at this crush washer.
crushed.
Oh yeah, they torqued it. They've torqued it all the way. Full torque. Oh, nice.
It's got a bow in it.
First oil change since 2016. That oil is gnarly. I picked it up and it's just like, it's thick. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. These crush washers.
Now we got the
Fuck.
transmission oil. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that is, dude. Look at that transmission oil though.
That is cool.
Dude.
That is bad.
That's straight tar. Ooh, we got some color going on. Oh man.
Fucking call these a rainbow, bro. Jeez.
First oil change since 2016. Yeah, that's pretty gnarly.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm glad it's a Honda.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty gnarly.
I'm glad it's a Honda, that's for sure.
What do you think there, buddy? 2016 2016 oil filter? Oh no.
That's bad.
Yep, time to change that.
That's so bad. Holy shit, guys.
These Hondas have a transmission fill up. It's got 2 drain plugs and one of them is huge. And then, so it's got a transmission and then engine oil bay. Takes a lot of oil. Well,
That O-ring's seen some better days.
this thing is a unit. Unit. All balls. Unit. Well, so far, I mean, we got the Dune tire on there. We got the flag mount. The Yoshis are still in, you know, they're a work in progress. Doing the oil change.
Yeah.
Oh, O-ring was toasted. Yep. What else did we do? Oh, we polished the frame on that side. We'll do this side. The radiator's next. We're waiting on this radiator to come in so we can get a new one there. Other than that, oh, we checked the valves. We know they're a little tight, but new spark plug. So, I think it's ready for the dunes, buddy.
Yeah.
Put some new oil in there.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.